Okay, what we have here is a 1963 Ford Thunderbird Roadster. It's a dealer package Roadster. In other words, they installed the necessary equipment to make it a Roadster at the dealership. That was not uncommon, it's my understanding, for them to do that in 1963. This car is for sale. You can view the pictures on our website. Beautiful example of a Ford Thunderbird. See, the chrome is all in excellent condition. Finish and bodywork are in excellent condition. Nice wire wheels. Take a look at the interior. Grab bar. I guess that has to be installed to make it the Roadster package as well. Radio, instrument panel. I'm going to pop the hood and the trunk, and we'll take a look and finish off the video. Alright, we got the hood up. Let's take a look at the engine of the Thunderbird, 390 cubic inch. All nicely detailed, looking clean and sharp. Over here, we'll get another good close look at the front end. Take a look at the chrome. Everything looks beautiful, nice and clean. Okay, we'll take a look in the trunk now. Okay, I'm going to show you that the top back deck lid goes up and down. Brought the car in the shop because started to rain out a little bit outside. But you can see it goes up, and there's your convertible top, your spare tire. Spare tire also has a wire wheel on it too, by the way. And there she goes. Also, just to be noted that the car, the steering wheel swings away when you're driving the car, and then you put it back in park. The steering wheel swings away to enable you to get in and out in comfort. There you can see steering wheel in the away position, and then it locks back into the drive position. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a call, 716-830-4224. Ask for Terry. And hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll hope to hear from you soon.